Today I'm repotting one of my snake plants. Sansevieria is a new gardener's best friend because it's really easy to care for and it's very forgiving. I've had this snake plant for about 5 years, and you can see that it's grown new shoots over time. This plant now has 3 distinct bundles of shoots, so I'm going to divide them up. After I divide the shoots, I'll plant them into separate pots, so this one snake plant will be repotted into 3. Let's get to it! Welcome to Shoots and Leaves. Today I'm dividing this snake plant into 3 separate plants. Then I'll repot each one into its own pot. You can see this plant still has plenty of room in his current pot, so if I didn't want to divide him up, he wouldn't need to be repotted just yet. Snake plants tend to like to be snug in their pots, so this plant would be able to stay in his current home for at least another couple of years. For this repotting, we'll need the snake plant, soil, a trowel, sharp, clean gardening shears, 3 pots, and water. First, we'll water our plant. Watering the plant a couple of hours before it's divided and repotted will reduce the risk of transplant shock, which is when the plant gets stressed from the repotting. Since I'm watering the plant now, we won't need to water it again after it's repotted. Next, we'll gently take the plant out of his original pot. If this plant were in a planter's pot, you could gently squeeze the sides to release him, but this pot's too firm to do that. So I'll take my trowel and gently release the dirt from the sides. Now I'll take him out of the pot and remove some of the dirt from the roots. If there's dense bundles of roots, then we'll loosen those to encourage new growth. Luckily, these roots are firm and off-white, which means they're healthy. You can see that this plant very easily fell apart into 3 in my hands. If that's not the case for you, then use the sharp, clean gardening shears to cut the roots apart. Now that we have the 3 plants separated from one, it's time to plant them into their new pots. Snake plants are succulents, so they like light soil that drains really well. I like to use either a cactus or succulent mix for snake plants. I'll fill the pots halfway up with soil. Put the plants in, then fill in the surrounding area with soil. Snake plants don't like to be buried deeply, so only put as much soil as you need to keep the plant upright. And there you have it. That's how you divide a snake plant and repot it into 3. These little beauties look gorgeous in their new pots. If you liked this video and want to see more like this, then please subscribe. Keep gardening and growing. I'll see you next time.